Talk 71, Risks of Using Angle Grinders. The angle grinder. A powerful, portable tool. It cuts, it polishes, it grinds. It can transform metal, stone, and concrete. But with great power, comes great risk. Main hazards. Cuts and impacts from the spinning disc. Hands or clothing caught in moving parts. Flying fragments, sparks, and shavings. Dust inhalation, sometimes toxic, like lead chromates or rust inhibitors. Excessive noise and constant vibrations. Electric shock, from faulty insulation or damaged cables. Why accidents happen? Most risks come from improper use. Using the wrong disc size. Using damaged or cracked discs. Mounting the disc incorrectly. Forcing the machine beyond its limits. Cutting in the wrong direction. Dropping or leaving the grinder running unattended. The result: discs can shatter. Pieces can fly. The operator can lose control. Other risk factors: postures that cause imbalance. Overexertion, leading to blocked discs. Nearby people exposed to sparks or fragments. Worn-out bearings causing vibration and noise. Overheating from poor ventilation or low voltage. Carrying the grinder by the cord, weakening the insulation. And remember, when a disc jams, the tool reacts. It twists violently in the opposite direction. If the operator isn't prepared, the machine wins. Final message: the angle grinder is not a toy. It is one of the most dangerous hand tools in the workplace. Respect it. Choose the right disc. Check the machine. Wear your protective gear. Control your posture. Control the risks. Because one mistake with an angle grinder can leave scars for life.